I was asked to do a design just for a crown for the king, a sort of a corona, so it's more of a garland kind of crown. And being a gardener, I wanted to use whatever we had in the gardens as much as we could, and we had a lot of lavender from last year. We dried. Yeah, so I came up with a design based on the King's new monogram, which has the Tudor crown apparently, and so using the fleur-de-lis and the cross with the footed cross as part of the design. So these bits will be hazel or willow, so I'll be bending them onto the structure, and then the cross here is what's in there, which is, I've used a lot of, well, all of the lavender up from last summer from around the Wessex Centre, which was really nice, and I've dried all the flowers for the garland. And the idea really is, because King Charles was a keen gardener, and sustainability and using organic things, it's really to reflect some of the things that are really important to him, and also the encouragement of like rural crafts and that kind of thing. And then I've dried lots and lots of roses, which will be used throughout, and also I've done some posies with the roses and some of the other dried flowers. We've got test tubes with some fresh flowers, which will be purple freesias, so there should be a vague scent. So I'm hoping it will come together.